Hi, what's up everybody? So boy Quentin hitting you with another video of how you can make money online. So basically we're going to be talking about a website called Amazon MTurk. And Amazon MTurk is a website whereby businesses will come with their jobs and they're supposed to do those micro jobs for a certain fee. So at the end of the video I'm going to talk about some of the tips that are actually used to make more money on Amazon MTurk, and I'm going to give you an alternative. So if stay tuned, you're going to be hearing more about this website. So basically Amazon MTurk is a drop service website. Mainly when we're talking about a drop service website, we're talking about a platform whereby clients and freelancers will meet. So this is whereby companies will bring their jobs and us as the freelancers will be doing the job. So some of the jobs that you'll find on Amazon MTurk include labeling products. Some will be clearing FAQs, as well as reviewing different type of products. At the same time, you may have opportunities of signing up to different type of offers. So when you're talking about Amazon MTurk, first of all, you're supposed to create an account. So in an account, you just have to put your email and your password, then you have your account. And Amazon MTurk is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you come from. If you come from South Africa, Zimbabwe, India, or in other countries, as long as you get accepted, you'll be good to go. So as soon as you sign up, you're supposed to look at the type of jobs that they offer. And for you to choose the type of jobs that you need to do, there's what they call a user script. This actually summarizes the type of tasks that you're supposed to do, or the stages that you are supposed to go through for you to complete the job as per required. So this will help you to choose which type of jobs that you can do and that will not mess up the ratings that you're supposed to be having during your freelancing time. So the type of job, like when I started using this website, I think it was early last year, one of the jobs that I had was to review a product, and I was supposed to summarize the review of the product within only 30 words. And the other thing that I got was to describe a picture in 10 words, and I was supposed to get about 50 cents. And the one of the 30 words I was supposed to get $2.50. So those are the type of jobs that you'll be getting. And the type of payment that they offer on Amazon MTurk usually is the Amazon gift cards, which you can use to buy any product on Amazon website. And the other payment platform that they have is direct to bank. And also if you're in the United States, there's another gift card that they accept depending on their location. And since some of you may want to use the website on your phone, they've created actually a platform that is user friendly to your phones, so that you'll be able to do your job from anywhere you are, even without using your regular PC that you use. As for me, I actually use my PC almost every time, and I think that's that. So the main tips for using this website, since some of the jobs may pay as less as 5 cents per task, and those tasks actually can take less than a minute. So basically an average user of Amazon MTurk usually gets around $8 to $12 within an hour. That means you can be able to target about $30 to $50 within a day on a daily basis, which is quite some money. It doesn't really pay like some of the website, but it's good since you do not have much responsibilities or the type of money that you want to use. You can cover up for some other expenses. And some of the main tips that I want to talk about at the end of the video is, the first thing that you have to do, you have to look for jobs with comprehensive stuff. When I'm talking about comprehensive stuff, I'm talking about whereby you're supposed to show up your emotion or your reaction towards a certain product or a certain task that you'll be given, as long as in comprehensive method of submission. Actually it pays more. Then the second thing is, you also have to look for anything that has to do with test reviews, because these test reviews actually pays more, because sometimes you want to check on their new website and how user friendly it is to random people who don't really know about their website. So that's the second thing that pays more. And the other thing that you're supposed to take from this video is, never go for job that pays less than 8 cents. it will consume most of your time doing. That means you won't even make much. You might end up making around $3 or $5 within an hour, which is not worth the time. And the other thing about Amazon MTurk is you're supposed to be patient when you're doing these tasks. So for me, I think this website is mostly for students or for people who stay at home most of their time, or parents or mothers that take care of their children at home. On their spare time, they can be able to work around on the website and earn some extra cash for different other stuff that they need. So I think that's that. And as for an alternative of Amazon MTurk, there's also another job service platform that is there, which is Microworkers. Microworkers works the same as Amazon MTurk, but the difference in Microworkers is it doesn't really pay much, and mainly it focuses on driving traffic to different websites and different platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other new websites that will be coming. And so I think that's that. So as for this, going back to Amazon MTurk, these jobs are called hits, which means human intelligent tasks. That means they cannot use any type of software to do those jobs. That's why they recommend us as freelancers to actually take upon those tasks and do them. So I think that's that. So I think I'll see you in the next video. And if you want me to talk about any other new ways of making money online, you can just type in on the comment section. Then I can check it up the website and see if it's worth a try, and I'll come back with the feedback. So until then, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, leave the notification also that you see my next coming videos, because I'll be posting every Thursday of every week. And don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.